Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get your Adobe Creative Cloud set up on your computer. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your email. So you go to mail.google.com or gmail.com, and up on your search bar on top type in Adobe. Once you type in Adobe, you'll see you have an email in your inbox that has a subject line of access is granted. So once you click on that, it'll bring you right into this email here, and it should say your name and it should tell you your K through 12. What you're going to do first is go ahead and click Get Started. Okay, once you do that, you're going to type in your email. Please use your school email, do not use your personal email account. Okay, you're going to go ahead and click Continue. This will most likely prompt you to make up a password if you've never done this before. So go ahead and set up your account, make your password. If you have previously logged into Adobe Creative Cloud, then you should know your password, or your computer might have saved it, so mine is saved. And I'm going to go ahead and click Continue. You'll notice that mine jumped right to the Adobe web page. Yours will ask you for a phone number and or to accept the terms and conditions. When it comes up to ask you for your phone number, feel free to go down to the bottom of the box and just click Skip. And then once you're on this page, it will let you know all of the different Adobe programs that you can download. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and minimize out of Safari or Google Chrome, depending on what you're using. And we're going to go ahead and open up our Finder. Go to Applications, and go ahead and open up the Adobe Creative Cloud red folder. Once in that, go ahead and open the Adobe Creative Cloud. You will notice that on the top of your screen over here, two little circles linking together will show up. This is the Adobe Creative Cloud. So again, you're just going to go ahead and log in. So there I am, and I'll have to put in my password here. If you forgot your password or don't know your password, go ahead and click Reset Your Password. You'll notice that a code is sent to my email. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to my email. And I'm going to type in that code to the Creative Cloud. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and set my new password. You'll notice that as I'm setting my password, one of the options has turned green. It will not let you submit a password unless all of the options are green. So now you'll see all the checks on the left-hand side, so that's a safe password. And I'll go ahead and repeat it. And I'm going to click Reset Password. You will notice here that my Creative Cloud has closed itself. It's not open on the top anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and open it again. Once you're in the Creative Cloud, you'll notice that this says update available, and then my Illustrator says up to date. So you can go over to updates on the left-hand side, and you can update them. If you don't have them, you can go ahead over onto the categories, go to Photo, look for Photoshop, and then there should be an install here if you don't have it. Go ahead and click Install, and it will install into your computer. This will take a lot of time, so please just leave your computer open while it's installing and let the computer download the program.